welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Stephanie Marie, and today we are cutting my hair. I'm cutting my hair, not we. I am cutting my hair. You guys just get to witness if I fuck up or do a good job. Before we get started, I do want to take a moment to remind you to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and like this video. And also, I do have a daily vlog channel, so if you want to see more of me, my baby, my dogs, my family, I will put that down in the description box below, and we will go ahead and jump into it. So I bought these hair cutting scissors at Sally's. If you are going to cut your own hair, do not use anything else other than hair cutting scissors. Do not use home scissors. Do not use, even if like, I know I bought really cheap hair cutting scissors before at Sally's, and I feel like those were just as bad as like scissors, like craft scissors or anything like that. They're just as bad. So I definitely recommend just getting quality hair cutting scissors. I mean, I know these are not the best, but they're not the worst. I got these many years ago at Sally's. I used to cut my own hair using hair cutting scissors, like the really cheap ones that had like, I know the handle was like black, and I felt like those were still giving me split ends. So if you are cutting your own hair, just get, you know, a decently priced hair cutting scissors. Just look up reviews, but don't go for the super cheap hair cutting scissors, because those are just as bad as using like craft scissors or, you know, big scissors you have at home. Because if you do use cheap scissors, you will get split ends. What do I want to do? How do I want to do this? Usually when I cut my hair, I never really know where to start. Hold on, let me lower you. And I am in my bathroom right now. I don't have the light on in my bathroom. I'm just using the ring light because the only light that I have right now is the one with the fan, and that's annoying. So, okay, let's start by I fucked up. I'm just kidding. And here's what I'll do. I'm gonna put half of it up right now. And yes, I am using my iPhone once again because I wear glasses and I can't see in the mirror from that far. And with the ring light, there's a huge glare, so I can't wear my glasses and do this. So I'm just using my phone again. Wow, comb got stuck in my ring. What I'm doing is I am just kind of grabbing both sides. You see that it's very uneven. It's very uneven, so I am putting it through my fingers so I can get it even. So when I put it through my fingers and I run it through, I just hold it real tight so I can make sure like nothing moves. Okay, so right now I am splitting it in half. It's easier when my hair is longer to cut my own hair, but because my hair is short and I want it short, I kind of like don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. And also the baby is napping, so I'm just praying as I'm trying to figure this out and cutting my hair that he does not wake up. Okay, so I feel like my left side is a lot longer. So the main reason why I want to cut my hair is just because I want to grow out like all the lightning damage. And I actually used to always have long hair. Like the last time I actually had short hair was when I was in like middle school, and I actually like how my hair looks with short hair. Last time I had like really damaged hair, like really damaged hair, when I went like icy blonde, and after that point I dyed my hair black, and I'm just like, all right, the mission is to grow out all of this damage, and I did. I didn't dye my hair for years. Gosh, I can't remember how long it's been. I can't even remember how long it was, but at least 3-4 years. I want to say 3 years had went by, but I felt like my hair was healthy and I was just over the black hair, especially because at that point I was getting a lot more grays. Because if you don't know, genetically I do have gray hair, and everybody in my family, we all get gray hairs at a very young age. So I wanted to go lighter to try to blend it out, and I feel like I always go this phase. I'm like, I'm tired of my gray hair, I want to go lighter to blend it out, and then I do the lightning and I'm like, all right, I'm over it, I want to go back to dark. And I dyed my hair chocolate brown, and it's starting to fade into whatever color this is right now. So what I think I'm gonna do for this part is maybe split my hair in the middle, and I'll do this side first. Alright, I'm gonna separate the top part of my hair so it doesn't get too overwhelming and cut too much. Looks like there's not a whole lot to cut. That was not even. getting shorter and shorter because I like messed up the length, and now it's like, okay, my hair is getting shorter. Great. Actually, this is kind of the length I wanted to get. I was just kind of scared to do it. I've never been this short. Not that I can remember. I'm sure there's definitely a lot of pieces that are not even right now. Okay. All right, and then now that I let the rest of down that was up, let's just try to get this even. The hard part's gonna make sure this is even on both sides. Just trimming the ends to make sure they kind of match up to like the pieces on the left. Honestly, what I do just to make sure it's even is I just go do a little bit at a time. I've seen many hacks on how people cut their own hair, but those don't work. Or it's like super choppy and uneven. So I just do a little bit at a time, let out little sections at a time, and just kind of eyeball it and see if there's any pieces that need to be cut, or else you end up with uneven hair. And which definitely, I mean, I know it's not going to be perfect after this, but I just don't want like my left side long and my right side short, or a bunch of pieces that are like way too long. I just want it to look semi-decent. I don't know why I feel like this side's so much harder to cut. Alright, so it's very uneven, so now I just gotta find all the pieces and cut them off. So the thing about me is I've been cutting my hair for so long where I'm not even afraid whatsoever to cut my hair. I just learned that the best thing is just to go slow. I just do a little bit at a time. It's way easier when my hair is long. That I'll say, it's way easier. I have fine hair, and I think it just looks better when my hair is shorter, to be honest, because my hair is like fine and pretty thin. And I like how my hair just looks fuller when it's shorter. But especially with my head shape, I just think it's cuter when it's shorter. I've always cut my own hair for many years. I used to have a hairstylist back when I lived in the Bay Area. And once I moved to Maryland, I started cutting my own hair because it's so hard to find somebody that you really like. And then once I got used to cutting my own hair, I just felt like I just always cut my own hair. I feel like this part I could fix a bit more. All right, and it looks like we're all done. Okay, so after I fix this little piece, it's still a little puffy, but my battery's dying, so I don't want to spend too much time on it. And yeah, so we are all done. Let me know what you think. And also, if you have any suggestions of what type of videos you would like to see in the future, let me know. I'm always up to any suggestions. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Oh. That one definitely got all over my face. That hurt.